So welcome back to the Learning Center. Today I'm really excited to be with you. We're going to talk about MicroConcrete. So sometime when we're going to do a new project with new material like MicroConcrete, it could be a little bit intimidating. But you need to trust the process. If you trust the process, the way we have to work with the product is going to be really easy and you're going to achieve some beautiful results. So to help us go through the project, I'm here with Will Worker, Michael, and he's going to help us go through every step.
Yeah, so thank you for receiving me, Simon. I'm really excited to learn something new today, and I think you're going to walk me through the steps of achieving a successful project with MicroConcrete.
Yeah, you know, we're going to go make it simple. So just remember 3 steps. First of all, is surface preparation. So we need to clean the surface that we're gonna apply MicroConcrete on. Make sure that
so it's gonna stick well.
Exactly. Okay. So the adhesion is gonna be really good. We don't want any grease, any oil on the substrate. Clean it with surface prep, and it's gonna be really good. After that, we just need to mix our powder, our MicroConcrete, with water, and mix it together and apply it with the trowel. So this is going to be our second step. And the last one, even the MicroConcrete is really hard, it needs some protection to make sure that it's going to be protect from all the liquid, water, grease, anything is going to go through. So you see, it's going to be really easy. 3 simple steps.
Totally makes sense. So I look forward to it.
Yeah, and what we're going to do, we're going to go in detail on that. So we're going to try every step. Yeah. You're going to do it. And after that, you're going to do a beautiful project.
Yes.